Right, so welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a video on my garage alarm system. I might have already made a video on this, but there's been some changes here and there, so I thought I'll just show it. I might test the bell box, I might not, but I'll just run you through what I got on the system. So, as you can see, here's the panel. It's a Castle Caretech Omega 5, branded by Securasol. Got a panic button. Got Pyronix Equinox. Up there we've got this Siemens Alarmcom Ultrasonic. It's got passive infrared and ultrasonic. Just to take you through here. Here we have this Alarmcom IR220C, branded by Thorn Security. Quite funny, I've actually got the Thorn bell box above it. And I'll show you the bell box we've got on the system. You can find the right key for the door. And up there we've got the Scantronic Hero bell. And the wire just goes up. I'm going to do a quick test of the bell box, so hang on. Right, so that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.